The bear crawl exercise is a great movement to strengthen your core, shoulders, and legs while also improving overall coordination and stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Begin by kneeling on the floor with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Keep your back flat and your core engaged. Make sure your head is aligned with your spine and your gaze is directed slightly forward. Lift your knees off the floor so that your weight is supported by your hands and feet. Keep your knees bent at about 90 degrees and hover a few inches above the ground. Step forward by moving your right hand and left foot simultaneously. The right hand moves forward as the left foot steps forward, keeping a low, controlled crawl. Maintain a neutral spine, keeping your hips level and core tight. Now move your left hand and right foot forward, mirroring the previous movement. This will be your next step in the crawl. Rather than rushing, the movement should be slow, fluid, and coordinated, ensuring your body moves as one unit. While crawling, avoid letting your hips rise too high or sag down. Focus on keeping your core engaged to maintain stability. Once you've crawled a set distance, you can turn around and continue crawling forward for the desired distance or time, or you can reverse the direction by crawling backward with the same alternating hand and foot movement. Repeat for time, reps, or distance. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.